Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can transfer Solana from your Binance to Solflare wallet. First, go to your Binance account and log into your Binance account. Here, click on withdraw and select Solana coin. Then we have to enter the address of our Solflare wallet. Go to your Solflare account and copy your Solana wallet address and paste it here. Then select the amount you want to withdraw and then click on withdraw and your Solana coins will be transferred to Solflare from your Binance account. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.